Is the smartphone dead? I spent the last 24 hours without my phone, living entirely through AI-powered smart glasses. No more looking down at a screen, no more pocket bulge, just the digital world floating right in front of my eyes. Today on Loomy Tech, we explore the hardware that is about to replace your iPhone and Android forever. Let's see if the hype is real. Hour 1 was trippy. Imagine walking down the street and seeing people's names, live navigation arrows on the pavement, and your messages floating in the air. With built-in multimodal AI, these glasses don't just show data, they see what you see. I asked them, hey, what kind of plant is that? And instantly the botanical name and care instructions appeared. Mind blown. But why does this matter? Because it brings back eye contact. Instead of staring at a slab of glass, you stay present in the world. Your notifications become subtle whispers, and your workspace is anywhere you look. Whether it's a giant virtual monitor or a live translation of a foreign menu, it's all hands-free. The transition is happening faster than you think. By the end of my 24 hours, picking up my phone felt primitive. Are you ready to ditch your phone for a pair of glasses? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Loomy Tech for more glimpses into the future. I'll see you in the next dimension.